We have the best music.
Party like a 2013.
Yeah, Pokemon.
Yesterday I had them at the fair. They were early. We were like real close to them.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hey, Blake, you want to put baby up?
I helped.
What?
Help you put baby up.
I already tried 3 times.
Don't you guys have like a collar or a leash?
No.